how to use this powerful tool, how to leverage Amazon SageMaker's full managed machine learning platform to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly and easily, including data processing, model training, model deployment, and more. Amazon SageMaker Studio, an integrated deployment environment that provides single web-based visual interface to perform all machine learning development steps. Amazon SageMaker is a fully machine learning service provided by Amazon Web Services that allows developers and data science to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. With Amazon SageMaker, users can build wide range of machine learning applications, including but not limited to automated machine learning. Amazon SageMaker Autopilot simplifies the machine learning experience by automating machine learning tasks and generating notebooks for each of the automated machine learning tasks. Another example is real-world machine learning applications. Amazon SageMaker is built on Amazon's 2 decades of experience developing real-world machine learning applications, including product recommendations, personalizations, intelligent shopping, robotics, and voice assistance devices. SageMaker provides 10 much more increase in team productivity, 1 trillion predictions per month, 40% reductions in data labeling costs, and up to 50% improved model accuracy. One more example is custom machine learning models. Users can build custom machine learning models with their data by creating a notebook instance in SageMaker and using it to download and process data. The creation process also includes creating an identity and access management that will allow Amazon SageMaker to access data in simple storage service, which is called Amazon S3. Amazon SageMaker provides a range of managed containers and estimators for popular machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and more. So you don't have to worry about setting up your own environment, but instead can focus on building and training your models.
You harder than hell. None can compete 'cause you're